When you search for car cup phone holders, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Andabil Upgraded 15 Cup Holder. First up is the Andabil Upgraded 15 Cup Holder Phone Holder. Priced at $35.99, this catch caught my attention with its solid build and adjustable features. If you want a reliable phone holder that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. This means no more awkward angles or blocked views while driving. The solid base and upgraded ball joint ensure that your phone stays steady, even on bumpy roads, which is crucial for safety. Plus, with over 4,500 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, tons of people have found it helpful. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than others. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability and functionality, this is still a great investment. It might not be the cheapest option, but it's designed to last. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive with your phone for navigation, but skip this one if you're looking for a super budget option that might sacrifice quality. Product number 2, Andabil Military Grade Cup Holder. Next up is the Andabil Military Grade Cup Holder Phone Holder. At $32.98, this one features a true military-grade metal gooseneck that caught my eye. If you need a tough holder that can handle rough roads, this is worth checking out. Why is this product a win for you? It can hold up to 50 pounds thanks to its aluminum alloy construction. This means it won't wobble or fall off even if you hit a bump. It's compatible with virtually all smartphones, including those with thick cases. With over 6,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many users rave about its stability. That said, some users found the gooseneck a bit stiff to adjust. But honestly, a tight neck means it won't shake while you're driving, which is more important for safety. This is perfect for you if you want something durable for off-road driving, but skip it if you prefer something easily adjustable. Product number 3, Boccolino 2-in-1 Cup Holder. Now let's talk about the Boccolino 2-in-1 Universal Cup Holder. At just $17.99, this is the budget-friendly option that expands your drink storage while securely holding your phone. If you want convenience without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. What makes this one stand out? It features a 360 degrees rotating head and a long arm that adjusts to fit any size phone. The cup holder expander ensures that it fits snugly in your car, eliminating that annoying wobble. It has a 4.3-star rating from 3,600 reviews, showing many find it reliable for daily use. However, some users noted that the arm length could be a bit short for larger vehicles. But here's the thing. If you drive a standard car, this is perfect for easy access to your phone. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget buy that does the job well. But skip it if you need something more heavy-duty. Product number 4, Boccolino Upgraded Cup Phone Mount. Next is the upgraded Boccolino Cup Phone Mount for car, priced at $13.96. This compact design caught my eye for its versatility. If you want something affordable yet functional, this is worth a serious look. This phone holder has an adjustable base that expands from 2.5 to 4.1, meaning it fits well in most cup holders. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,600 reviews, it's a favorite for many. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit flimsy compared to pricier options. But honestly, for the price, it does a great job of holding the phone steady, especially in normal driving conditions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an inexpensive option that works great, but skip it if you need a more robust holder. Product number 5, Iskti 360 Degrees Adjustable Cup Holder. Lastly, we have the Iskti 360 Degrees Adjustable Cup Holder, available for $21.99. This one caught my attention for its unique anti-slip design. If you want a phone holder that stays in place, this is a great choice. The anti-slip rubber base keeps it stable, even during sudden stops, which is essential for safe driving. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,500 reviews, many users appreciate its reliability. However, some users found it a bit bulky. But honestly, the trade-off for stability is worth it, especially if you drive in city traffic. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable holder that won't budge, but skip it if you need something compact and lightweight. So there you have it, 5 great car cup phone holders. Whether you're looking for durability, budget options, or something that won't budge, there's a choice here for you. Make sure to pick one that fits your lifestyle and needs.